Hey all, Ankit Kishore this side from Stierfleet team, and I welcome you back to my channel. So here I'm running with this particular position on 17550P and 17750C. So what happened in between? I started the trade with this one and this one, but I squared them off because I took the entry by mistake. You can say it. मैंने यहाँ पे entry किया तुरंत ही कुछ 15 seconds में मैंने इसे exit भी किया. Then I entered 550p and 700c. Then I shifted this 550p to 600p and 600 to 650. And why I did so? Because this option which I sorted for around 10 rupees. Okay, I sorted here only somewhere here, and it kept on going up till 27. Okay, and because of that I went into a drawdown of 10k, which is 5 points on this sizing. Today I won't be increasing the sizing, reason being until unless a big spike happens. I am talking about some big, not a small one. Reason being, I started trading for around 64 points, 66 point, sorry, 64, 63 points, and it is just 10 o'clock. It simply shows that the market is not factoring in any kind of move. Okay, market is expecting or fighting hard for a sideways expiry, and that is not happening anywhere. Let me show you the high to low, sorry, low to high. So market has moved 70 plus point when a straddle opened with 70 only. So in the very first three candles, market has moved that much what a straddle was carrying, and after then this down move, okay, is already of 50 points. So this, the volatility is not decreasing, and premium is not at all to capitalize on this volatility. Okay, that is why I'm trying my level best to do as less adjustment as possible. Okay, because market might go down then come up, this will keep on happening, or market might keep on sliding down, this can also happen. So any of these if happens, then my plan of action is very simple. Now coming to the plan of action for today. See, abhi market is trading as 632, right? So till the point market is above 625, I won't do any adjustment. But as and when market goes up, sorry, goes down to 17625, then in that case I will be switching this 750C to 700. Okay, and this I will, and then after then if market goes down another 25 points, then I will switch again one a strike lower, and then I will put a SL in them. And on the upside, if market reverses from here, so till this level 65, I'm not, sorry, 70, I'm not going to do any adjustment. Okay, I will wait for a while, but here on the downside I will keep on doing adjustment. Still 625 would be the first adjustment, then 600 would be the second 605 would be the second adjustment. So this is how I'm planning to do adjustment, and at the same time we'll try my level best to do as little adjustment as possible at in this first half, and we'll see in the second half if some IV spike happens, then I will try to capitalize on them using my quantity. Otherwise this is what it is, and we'll try to close green today, and whatever green it would be, that would be I would be happy with that. Okay, that's it, because there is no premium to go hard on it, and if even a single big move happens, then it will give send me a big drawdown, give me a big drawdown, and that I don't want at all. So that is the plan of action. So yeah, I will give you update on this later on. Okay guys, a quick update. Time is 1:52 and I'm giving update so late. Reason being, there is nothing which I am doing. Okay, the premium is so low that it is not giving any decay as such, but I collected a few decay here, and for straight 3 hours I was in negative only, but now only I collected few decay, so I just completely dropped myself. Reason is, say, this is just 50 points away. These two is what I was holding, that to just 100 quantity. Okay, sorry, 800 quantity. I was not holding it complete to 1000 quantity because they are just 50 points away. And sorry, this one and this one, and you can see what happened in between here because of this move. Okay, this particular move, what happened, from a low here of 5.8, it made a high of 13.5. so this is how the market is moving when there is a slight move that is happening, and this is a small move only. So but I didn't switch it. Okay, I just kept on holding it for a while, and that gave me a bit of hit. At the point of time MTM was negative 7k. The max MTM negative I've seen it 10k, then again it went to break even, then again went to 9k negative, then again back to break even, then 7k negative, then now back to 5k positive. So since morning, this is for the very first time I'm saying green MTM. So here I've just completely risked off my trade, and this is what I'm holding, and even if I'll be closing this much, I will be more than happy. Reason, there is no premium, so to say, and I don't want to risk this much. Okay, that in the last 1 hour when premium is so low and buyers are actually willing to make some money, trying to make some money. And actually I also did an option buying trade here. Let me show you this particular one. Actually I was looking this as an opportunity. Let me show you. या हियर, जब ये यहाँ पे था तो यहाँ पे यहाँ पे मैंने कहीं पे शॉर्ट किया एंड दिस वाज माय एसएल एंड आई बुक्ड इट हियर। ओके, मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ। आई बुक्ड एट 133 एंड द मैक्स इट मेड इज 140. Okay, and I booked it here, somewhere here. So almost you can say I booked it at top. So I took 175 quantity, very less quantity, 170, sorry, yeah, 175 quantity I took. I got a very good exit of 73 points in it, and the first entry I took here, and that actually gave me a loss of just 2k. So I was just, and here the risk was just 2.8k. So as against 2.8 or 3k, I booked almost 4.5 times of it. So it is 1:4.5 of it. So I'm happy, because see why I did so, why I haven't done options buying in here. Reason is the premium only. If even if the move will happen, I won't be collecting good premium. Okay, and I want to collect some premium. As premium is so low, it is giving a upper hand to buyers. If some moves happen, then there will be good gamma and delta move that will happen. So yeah, that is why I try to capitalize there. And in this these accounts, I'm just holding this too. So yeah, let's see where I'm closing with. Okay guys, final update time is 3:31 and I booked everything with 16k profit here and 14.63 profit here. So altogether 30k profit, you can say. So let me summarize the day. What I did when I gave you the last update, at that point of time I completely raised off myself, and after then market was more or less sideways only. Okay, and all those options which I raised off, these two, wait a while, yeah, this one I raised off at 7 and another one I raised off at 5, altogether 13 points in it, 12 points, 12 and a half points. And after that it was a smooth decay that kept on happening, and there was not even a single time that market actually made a big move and could have taken you in some deep trouble. So it was an easy ride, so to say. But still I got raised off very early. Reason being, I had nothing on the table to offer to the market. So better I thought I will be closing green, and that is more important for me as to making big profit. Okay, and that is the intention I was having. That's why I just completely raised off. And now here after that what I did, मैं 650 को hold करता रहा, and from 500 I switched down, switched up to 550, then 600, but at very low premium. Let me show you. From 550 I switched to 600. The premium difference just 30 paisa. So this is nothing. The difference was nothing. I could have trailed it. I could have switched it long back only, but I just tried to play as if I can. And because I told you now, I was just happy to even closing green any amount. It would have been like 6-7k green or 10k green or 15k or 20k. Whatever it would have been, I would have happily collected and welcomed that. So this is how I played today, because there was nothing for me to keep as a risk for the market, and if I'm not willing to take a risk, so obviously I won't be looking for big profit. So that was the intention today. So yeah, I hope all the analysis and adjustment that I do making sense to you, and if they do, then please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.